And this video is for Cinnamon Toast Crunch Churros, which is the new cereal that tastes really, really good. Cinnamon Toast Crunch already tastes good, but now they're making churros. So check this out. Somebody was wondering how big they are, but this is the size of them. Very cinnamony, it's very toasty, very crunchy. So let's get out a tape measure and see how big these measure. Here we are at about 1.25 inches. Okay, 1.25 inches is how big these pieces are. But Cinnamon Toast Crunch, cinnamon sugar crunch. This is what the back of the box looks like. You get 180 calories for 1 cup, 220 with skim milk, but very delicious, very crunchy, and they definitely crunch. So anyway, this video is for Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I'm gonna add some milk and start eating these.